Hi y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and I am super excited that you're watching today. I have a Stitchfix unboxing, and Stitchfix is one of my favorites. I have peeked at this bundle. Looks like there's some really pretty things in here. Stitchfix, in case you didn't know, is one of those styling boxes where they send you outfits. You can return what you don't want in a postage paid envelope, and you get 20% off if you buy everything in the box. I will put all the details down in my description box if you want to know more about Stitch Fix. Also, I'll put my referral code down there if you want to try them out. You get 20% off your first box, and I get 20% off my next box. But let's get to this box. This is my sixth fix, and I think I've had Nicole since the very beginning, and she's done really well, and she's getting better and better and better. Although I probably ought to wait to see what this is before I say that. I'll pull them out and let's see what we got here. First thing we have is this really pretty pleated, let's see what this is called. Oh my gosh, I can't really tell. Let's see what we're calling this one. Alicia Pleat Detail Knit Top. I just got in my Wannable box one of these pleated tops. I think this is really pretty. I think the flowers, the colors are really pretty. It looks pretty long, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but I think it's very pretty. The next thing I have, I'm telling you, these look super similar in the, okay, is that what this is? This is the Lighten Zip Detail Mixed Material Blouse. Interesting. Okay, that's cute, by Fortune and Ivy. Again, it is really cute. Mixed material. I know a lot of people don't like the mixed material. It doesn't bother me at all. I think this one is so cute. This is really cute, and it's got the zipper detail, and then it's got these little notches at the top of the, or next to the pockets. That's what I'm trying to say. Super cute. Very cute. Okay, next. Hans Crochet Front Mixed Material Top. Another mixed material by Market and Spruce. Again, I think this is really pretty. Look at that. With the crochet lace, and oh my goodness, I think this is so pretty. Wow, a lot of tops here. The next thing, oh my gosh, another top. Yep. Okay, this one is longer sleeves, but they're very sheer. This is the Colton button-down blouse. Button-down? Yep, sure enough. Colton button-down blouse by West Key. I think it's cute. We'll see. It's a pretty kind of a sagey green. I think it's pretty. Let's see. And then last I got these. These are the Tribal Fia Cuffed Trouser in light pink. Okay, they're not skinny, that's for sure. They also look very, very high-waisted. I think they're cute, but we'll see. And I've got the cuffed bottom. I think this looks like a good box. Lots of tops, which is fine. I may have even picked a few of them out, actually. So I'll have to go back and look because I can never remember from when I picked them out till I get them. But let me try them on and we'll see what we think. I'll be right back. All right, these are the Tribal Fia Cuffed Crop Trouser in light pink size 4. They are pull-on, high-waisted, which I like, with the wide band, no pockets. I just wore these with pink wedge sandals. The top is the Beacon Alicia Pleat Detail Knit Top in blue, size small. I love this top, and I kept both pieces. This is the Fortune and Ivy Lighten Zip Detail Mixed Media Top in white, size small. It's got the zipper at the front, and then it's got studded detail on both pockets. You could do a front tuck or leave it out. There's the zipper, and you can't really see the studs on there, but it's 2 little silver studs. I didn't get close enough. I think it's really cute, but I didn't keep this. This is the Market & Spruce Hans Crochet Front Mixed Media Top in white. I think it's very pretty, but I didn't love it on me, especially for $58. I like the zipper in the back, and it's lined, but the sleeves are not, so they're kind of sheer. And boy, I should have moved the tags, both of them, but all 3 of them, I think. Anyway, I didn't keep this one. Finally, this is the West Key Colton button-down blouse. They said it's in a light blue. It seems more like a light green to me. I actually really liked this when I got it on. It's sheer, but it's got the lining, and the sleeves are sheer. I like the length. I like the fact that it covers your behind, and I just thought it was really pretty, and I surprised myself. I didn't think I would, but I ended up keeping this. That's it for this Stitch Fix unboxing. I thought it was a pretty good box. The 2 things that I'm pretty sure I'll keep are the pink pants. I'm 100% sure I'm going to keep those, and the blue floral top. I thought that one was really pretty too. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.